Okay, here's Mackie O'Neill's LS9 6L90 setup. You've got it basically all finished and ready to go here. Got oil and everything. On our harness, basically you end up hooking up one wire to your ignition switch, one wire to your battery, then your fuel pump and fuel system's already all integrated into the system. So at that point we can go to key on, and then here goes. Gears, just go ahead and run it up through the gears. Shifts through all the gears, and there's the speedometer. Everything runs top notch like it should.